Northern India has been plunged into chaos due to a series of deadly storms that have swept across the region. Since April 10th, severe thunderstorms, torrential rains, hail, and lightning have resulted in the deaths of over 100 people in the states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Jharkhand in just one day. The epicenter of the tragedy was the state of Bihar, where the death toll reached 82. Here, 320 electrical poles were knocked down, leading to severe power outages. The state's infrastructure also suffered enormous losses. Unfortunately, due to a poorly established disaster warning system, the Indian Meteorological Department's IMD warning about the approaching storm did not reach residents of rural areas, and the storm caught them while working in the fields, leading to tragic consequences. The extreme weather conditions also caused serious disruptions at Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. Dust storms and the storm led to the redirection and delay of hundreds of flights, leaving thousands of passengers stranded. According to IMD forecasts, new storms and heavy rains are expected in the region in the coming days. It is important to note that such colossal consequences from the elements occurred at a time when the monsoon season in India which brings the most extensive floods and subsequent destruction, has not even begun. This indicates that natural disasters are no longer behaving typically and are not subject to the previous seasonality. They have acquired a sudden, chaotic character and are rapidly increasing in strength. This is happening all over the planet, but there are zones where this growth is most pronounced and critical. Unfortunately, India is on the list of these territories. But the most critical point on the planet today, where the potential danger to the entire world is highest, is Siberia. More details about what is happening in this region and the consequences for the entire planet can be found in Egan Chalakian's video, Siberia, Who Stands to Gain from Destroying Half the World?
जब बुलाते हैं तो आओगे नहीं, जब तुमको फुर्सत मिलेगा तो फोन करोगे।